Alright, like open addicts, we are back. Let's get some parts here. I need two of these. One of those, and one of these. Alright. Put this over here for a minute. Sit down in my chair. Make sure you can see what I'm doing, which you can. Alright, so I've learned that I have to handle this quite carefully. So I'm going to put this one here. Is that right? Okay, hang on. Okay, so that is in the wrong spot. That's okay. So I'm going to put this here, put this here, and then I'm going to put this on the end so you can see what I did there. And then I'm going to fix this thing because it's always popping off. 5 minutes. Alright, so I put those two there. Now I'm going to put, where am I going to put these? Okay, so this one's going to go here, like that. Put that down like that. This one is going to go here. Put it down like that. And then this is going to go like that. And like I said, voila, little details everywhere, you know. Just trying to stay away from handling this part because it keeps popping off of there. But you see what I did here. I'm still got this problem, but I fixed it a little bit better. And then, you know, just added some more detail here and here. So, yeah, you know, it's a pretty good build so far. It's giving me aggravation, but hey, you know, it's a challenge. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.